Yo, so you know, say you have some man we feel like them are gallus, right? Them can get any girl them want just by giving them one or one two line and boom, them win the category. And then you have some of them we come with some stupid talks. Remote you have to wonder and think to yourself like, yo, them line they really work for a woman. People, that brother here are the perfect example. Check it out with me.
Car right now. Shit. Hello.
Yo, Mom, what's good, gorgeous? Listen, I don't usually do this, but I just needed to stop you. I need to see what's up with you.
Ain't shit. What's poppin'? What's good though?
Listen, usually I don't do this, but baby, you know, I see you in this Honda and whatnot, but if you would ride with me, I had you in a GT Bentley coupe. You know what I'm saying? For everybody can see you.
They can see me now.
Well, I'm just saying, baby, I think you're a winner, and I want you to be winning.
I am winning.
If you with me, you definitely gonna be winning.
Oh yeah, and how's that?
I'm a boss.
You a boss.
So anything that come with me is gonna be boss life.
Ooh, okay. And what does a boss life look like?
You ain't got no worries, baby. I just want you with me.
All right, so
good.
let me give you my Cash App then, and we can start from there.
Cash App?
Yeah, since you want me to win, let me give you my Cash App. Let me see how much you drop in. And then depending on what you send me, I'll give you my telephone number.
Well, listen, baby,
you're a boss. That's what bosses do, right?
I'm looking for marriage, and you looking for a merger.
I'm not looking for a merger. I'm looking for a partnership, but it got to start somewhere. Because right now, what you're doing is you taking my time. So, time costs.
Listen,
it's not free. Do you know who I am?
Now that I look at you, yeah, you that radio babe, you that girl from the radio station. Hell, and you in this Honda? Girl, let me upgrade.
What the fuck is wrong with my Honda, though?
I know you're thinking.
Like, what's wrong with mine? My shit is sexy.
Yeah. I know that's what the commercials say.
Ooh.
But I want you to be a walking billboard.
All
right. I know it's car and drivers, top leading car. But I want you to be top boss. I want you riding these streets representing me.
Where your car at? Let me see what you driving.
It's getting shipped here right now.
Oh, it's getting shipped.
It's getting shipped here. I just got in from Germany out tour. You know what I'm saying?
What, you a rapper or something?
No, I manage rappers. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what you do?
Yeah, and I'm a movie director as well.
Oh, movie director.
Yeah.
Ooh.
You just seen my latest movie. There's a fish fry in heaven.
Fish fry in heaven.
Yeah. How you think God fed all them people? It was a fish fry, Ma.
You good? You high? You on something?
No, I'm high on life and success.
Okay. Can you do me a favor though?
What you need?
Let me back up. Let me see what you look like. Fuck out of here, man.
People, did he just say there's a fish fry in heaven? That's how him feed all these people. Man really fall for them sitting there. Him is a movie director. Him manage rappers. Him just a come back from Germany. But you don't notice the part when time the girl say, what you driving? Sure, let me see what you driving. You notice how him pass, there was this awkward silence for a second. And then him come up, yo, him quick pan him foot, him quick pan him feet though. But him lie them. The man say, yo, it's being shipped here right now. No, you are such a baller that you want to get home girl out of Honda. But you talk about your car is being shipped there right now. So how you get where she there right now if you talk to her? Right now I probably drop off in a one of him bridging car because him sit down on the passenger seat. But him want to go take the girl out of her Honda. Right now he probably not even have sitting for ride. Even if she do decide to give him a chance and say, alright, let me give you a chance. Probably him would have want to drive up and down in a fear Honda. Ladies, nobody fall for that nonsense, yeah? More know if them line here really work for a woman. No. Virgin, wanna do better. Do better. It better wanna just step to her empress and be yourself. And if she like you for being yourself, good. If she not like you for being yourself, then you just lower her, make she go on her way. But stop with them nonsense, yeah, man. But I wanna take you out of this Honda. If you're riding with me, I wanna make you a walking trophy. Like, yo. Me have to laugh, people. I swear to Christ, me have to laugh. Stop make man look bad. Yeah, Virgin? People. Wanna laugh off vibe down in the comment section. Come in not even go tell you no fi comment. Just laugh off vibe in the comment section. Megan.
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.